Okay. Hi, hello everyone. This is Raghavendra Kumariam. In this session, I'm going to discuss about first session of business statistics, which is related to introduction to statistics. This is business statistics 1 for 5th semester BCom students, prescribed by Coimbatore University syllabus. In this session, I'm discussing about what is the meaning of statistics and background of statistics. If we come to the background of statistics, statistics is a word which is derived from Italian word that means statista, means statesman, or German word statistic, which means a political state. It was first used by Professor Gottfried Anchenwald in 1979, 1719 and 1772. During that period, as a professor in Marlborough in 1749 to refer the subject matter as a whole. Statistics is one subject which normally used in science of statement and was byproduct of administrative activity of the state. It has been the traditional function of government, so keep records of population, birth, deaths, taxes, corp, yields, and many other types of activities. For example, statistics is used every year, every 10 years once government is going to conduct census. In that census, government going to maintain the record of literate, illiterates, male, female, total populations, everything. So it's also one of statistics. Like that, government is going to maintain like mortality rates. What is the mortality rate of every year? Death rates. So that's also one of statistics. And government maintain the taxes, how much taxes are collected and how much are spent. This and all statistics. So if you come to the meaning of statistics, statistics is concerned with scientific methods for collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data, as well as deriving valid conclusion and making reasonable decisions on the basis of this analysis. Statistics normally is used for taking decisions. When management wants to take the decision, normally we are going to deal with the statistics. Statistics, the basic steps are first is identifications, then collecting the data. Once we collect the data, either in the form of primary data or secondary data, we are going to organize it. Organize it in classification or classification, addition or modification of data. Once we organize it, summarization and presenting the data. Once we present it, we are going to analyze the data for the conclusion and to take the decision. In other words, statistics is concerned with a systematic collection of numerical data and its interpretation. So statistics basically deals with data. Without data, we cannot run with the statistics. It's simple. In simple sense, if you want to say statistics is a systematic collection of numerical data and its interpretation. Here, we understood the meaning of normal statistics. Let us understand the meaning of business statistics. Because as it is the subject related to business statistics refers to the application of statistical tools and techniques to business and managerial problems for the purpose of decision making. So here we can see that business statistics refers to the application of statistical tools and techniques to the business and managerial problem for the purpose of decision making. As I told you already, statistics is normally used for decision making. In business, there are many decisions are going to take like managerial decisions, operating level decisions, middle level decisions. So in that, statistics are going to use it. So if you see that, so let us recall the things which we have discussed now. Statistics, the normally it is derived from the word statistics, comes from the Italian word statista means statesman or German word statis which means a political science. It was first used by Professor Godfrey Anschwald, a professor in Melbourne in 1749 to refer subject matter as a whole. and we discussed statistics is concerned with a scientific method for collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data, as well as deriving valid conclusions and making reasonable decisions on the basis of this analysis. In simple words, statistics is a collection of numerical data and its interpretation. So this is about a first session meaning of statistics. Thank you, one and all.